Okay, you're welcome to today's. Okay, in this video I'll be teaching you on how to create a simple graphics flyer, a simple graphic design flyer. So this is our default. So what I want us to do is let's just delete the default text before we do anything. Let's import the picture we are going to be working on, the flyer that we are going to be working on. So we'll be working on this flyer. So this is what we want to achieve at the end of this video. So let's just make it go invisible. So the first thing we'll be doing is to change our background color to white. Then after that, import a shape. Sorry about that. So we want to import a shape now. So this is our shape. We have import a triangle shape. So we'll just reduce the opacity to 0. Then we'll give it 7 stroke. 7 stroke is okay. Then we'll change the color of the stroke to blue. I'm using blue. You can use black for your own. Then you make it bold. You make it bold like this. After that, you copy it out and set it in this form. Okay, after you are done with this, change the color of the one that you have copied out. Change the color. As you can see, the color has been changed. So I want to change the color of the one I've copied to purple. So I've changed the color to purple. So I will just lock it up. Then I will continue with my job. So the next thing we'll be doing is to import another shape. So we'll be importing this kite shape. Then you change the color of the kite shape to deep blue. Sorry. We are going to be importing a triangle shape. Then let the color be on white. Then you make sure it's covering the lines. Make sure it's covering the lines. Make sure it's covering those lines you see. Make sure it's covering it. So let's use our position tools to position it. Reduce it. Make sure it's covering those lines. So that's that for that. So lock it up. Then what are you going to be doing next? Just import the kite shape. Okay, just import the kite shape and change the color to deep blue. Change the color to deep blue. Then make it bold in this form. So we already have some of our objects, our image that we'll be using for this course. So lock it up, lock everything up. Make sure that everything is locked up. Don't forget, this is what we are trying to achieve at the end of this video. This is what we are trying to achieve here. This is what we are trying to achieve, as you can see. So make it go invisible again. Then what's next? The next thing we'll be doing now is to import a half circle. We need a half circle shape. So we just import the half circle, then change the color to the pink color. Then you make it ready, then rotate the color. So I want us to do something different here. Copy it out, then go and edit it. Reduce the opacity to 0. Then give it about 2 to 3 stroke. Give it 4 stroke. Then put the color of the stroke as the blue. then you click OK, then rotate it. Make sure that it's set like my own here. Make sure it's set inside the circle like my own here. So after doing this, merge it together, merge the half circle together, merge it together. Then what you will do now is take it and put it on the take it and put it under the purple. Put it under the purple. Yeah, just position it this way. Then you make it smaller. Make it smaller in that form. So the next thing we'll be doing is we have a right top. We have some right top. So we are going to be importing this right top also there, where we are going to be putting our Facebook name and our phone number. So you go again to shape, then increase the radius to 100, then close it a bit. Make sure you are using sky and purple color for this. Make sure you are using the same color that I'm using. So now you copy this out. Okay. So as you can see, it's ready. So I want to put those things under the kite shape, so I'll move it towards this direction so that it will be under my kite shape. Then I will lock it up. So the next thing again we are trying to achieve here is where we have our 50% off. So we'll be importing a full circle also to that point. We'll be importing a full circle up to that point. Increase the radius to 100, change the color, then reduce the circle. So before we complete this work, let's first of all copy out the kite shape. Copy it out, then go and edit it. Reduce the opacity, then you add 7 stroke to it, then change the color of the stroke to change the color of the stroke, then let it be inside. Then you lock it up. Then we'll continue with our circle. Make your circle small. Make it small, just fix it there. Make it small and position it. Let it be positioned. After that, copy it out, then edit this circle again. Edit the circle, reduce the opacity to 0, then give it about 4 stroke or 5. You just give it 4 stroke, then let the color of the stroke be the deep blue. Let it be deep blue that we are using Yeah, so let us now position it. Let's use the positioning tools to position this. Yeah, as you can see, we are done positioning everything. So now we need to import our rice and the spoon that we are using, we are making use for this design. So you go to your gallery. First thing first, I want you to import the food you are using first. Import the food you are going to be using. Then make it small. Okay, just keep this aside. Then you need to import a shape. Let your shape be a circle. Then give it the color. So lock the shape up. Then try to move your rice into it. Just try to. Make sure it's positioned before doing any other thing here. Okay, we have achieved this. The next thing, just lock it up. Don't merge anything again. Lock it up and let us import the spoon that we are going to be using. Already my own spoon is at PNG already, so you just import the spoon, make it smaller. Okay, it's okay like that. Then lock it up. Import the spoon again. As you can see, we are making progress. Import the second spoon. So this one we are going to be doing a little bit of cleaning, so we'll use our cleaner to clean. We use our cleaner to clean something. Just clean it off, clean it up so that it will not disturb your work. Yeah, just clean it up like this. So it's okay. And make it small. Okay, before we move further, I think we have to move the effect to the other side. Let's move it this way. Then put this in this side. Okay, I guess it's okay like this. So the next thing we'll be doing, copy it out. Then okay, so let's reduce your opacity. Let's reduce it to something like this. Then let it come down. We can't take it back just like that, so we have to take it from this place. Take it down. Take it down. Want it to be at the back of. Want it, yeah. So this is where we want it to be. As you can see, that is fixed there already. So the next thing we'll copy is the effect. So let's put it this way. So we'll be reducing we'll be reducing our opacity. Yeah, reduce it to around 45. So 45 is okay. So we want to move it again to the back. So we'll now move it. You move it down straight to, so it's at the back already. So you can see our work is in progress. Okay, there's one thing we've not imputed. We've not impute our knife. So let's go and import our knife again. So this is it. So let's just cut that place that we have our knife, then cut it off. This knife, we are going to be rotating it this way, then we'll make it small. Reduce it. Okay, let me lock this and this so that I will not move any. So let our knife be in that place, then we'll lock it up. So the next thing again we'll be doing is, okay, we need a FEC. We need a FEC to do some write up. So we'll just lock it up like that. We need a FEC. Okay, open it back. We need a FEC here. We want to do a little bit right up there, so we need that FEC to play a small role for us. So that's that for that. So now we are just going to be writing our text. Then you go to text. So I'm using Emacs. I'm using kitchen. So we have input Emacs kitchen. So let's just change the front. So we have to be very fast. We want this video to stop at least at 22. Okay, let's remove our, okay, so our Emacs kitchen, let's put a black color so that it will come out bold. Yeah, so as you can see, then copy it out. Just copy that Emacs out, then bring it down here. So we are going to be using it here also. Then you change the color to yellow. Yeah, change the color to yellow, then position it very well. Let's increase the size a bit. So just copy it out, then edit it and put your number. Okay, now that your number is there, we're almost done. Then so what you need to do now is just copy the text out again so that we can use it to write up this weekend there in this. make it bold. This is what we want. So this is what we want to achieve. Then you copy it out, then write weekend. Week. Make it capital letter, then make it small so as to make it enter inside that. Okay, let's reduce the size of this, then shift it towards this side. So that's that. Let's just say copy again, then write only. Make it capital letter. Yes, I think. Okay, let's just use our positioning tools to position it properly. Think that is okay. Then let's position this also upward. Then copy it out. See, as you can see, we are using the same font for our job. Then write 50%. So as you can see, we have achieved all what we want to achieve. Just save it, and that's all. Thanks for coming. Bye for now. And if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn off the notification to receive more updates from me like this. Thank you, and bye for now.